I want to go into your derivative and your knowledge. What separates you from so many is you really get the movements that are out there. The dollar movement you guys called. You said, no, weak dollar, maybe not, strong dollar. But what's the character of this strong dollar movement? Does it have convexity? Does it have acceleration?
We do think it has acceleration. It may not be the type of acceleration, talking about par on the euro, but certainly 115, 116, something like that is potentially in the cards. And when you think about it, the last year and change has really been sort of unique in the fact that you've had rising rates in the U.S., rising spread in the rates versus the rest of the world, and yet a weak dollar. And so for us, those sort of imbalances, with the U.S. growing at a better rate than Europe.
And to stay with your derivative expertise,
sure.
The Greek letters gamma, which means acceleration. Does the gamma give way to a persistency of trend of strong dollar?
That tends to be how currency market trends evolve. If you look, I think part of what the last 3 weeks has been is catching people by surprise by the persistence of that trend. The other question is, will it spread to the yen? We haven't really seen an acceleration
Francine
in
just
the
mentioned
yen
that.
yet. That's something we think could be on the cards.
Yeah. Julian, what do you think dollar does from here?
We think it continues to appreciate. If you think about it, we made this call sort of at the end of February, beginning of March. And for us, the key in terms of catalyzing the price action in the last 3 or 4 weeks was the simple realization in the marketplace that in all likelihood, the U.S.'s trade deficit is going to be reduced in the months and years to come.